Welcome to Millionaire Mindset, where we give you ways and advice to achieve financial freedom. In this video, we will discuss the process of making money online by simply uploading images. We will show you the websites that make this possible and another website where you can speed up the process. So, are you interested? If yes, you better watch until the end. But before going further into this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Press the notification bell so it will notify you whenever we upload a new video. And lastly, leave a comment below. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Did you know that there's a way to earn up to $250 a day? The key is finding a powerful app that is free to download. Okay, here's how it works. Download a free photo or file in this first app, then upload it again in the second app to earn money. It's as simple as that. The more pictures you upload, the more money you will make. It does not require videos, websites, affiliate marketing, sales, testimonials, or social media. All you need is a simple and easy way that anyone can do it in 10 minutes a day. After all, why not use your smartphone or computer and save up to $250 a day, right? Isn't this wonderful? Yes, the same app is available in all countries, worldwide, and pays you in different payment methods. This opportunity is new and exciting, so make sure you watch until the end of this video. In this video, we will show you 2 different free apps that you should use together to earn a lot of money online. Now this is the first app to be shown to you. As you can see, it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything to get started. Let me tell you exactly how much money you can earn from this free app. As you can see here, $2, $3, $5, and $6. Sometimes even $11, as everyone you see here does. As you can see here, you can even earn up to $10, $20, and $30. Everyday people from all over the world are actively making money. This application is very transparent about its transactions, which is essential to building the trust of its users. But remember, this is only the first app. For this technique to work, you'll need to use another app, so watch the full video to see exactly how it works and what to do. Let me quickly explain what this app is. You can access this application at up-load.io. Usually, you only need to upload 3,000 photos to make money on this site. You can now earn money by uploading content to the site and asking others to download it for free. Whether you're sleeping, traveling, or doing nothing at all, you can earn up to $6 every time someone downloads your content on this site. Don't worry, we'll show you where to download 3,000 photos and how to submit photos via phone or computer automatically. First, let me show you how to sign up for this site for free. To get started, click the register button and go to the user registration page to enter your username, email address, password, and payment information. They pay you via PayPal, Payoneer, WebMoney, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash, which you'll find here. Once you've filled in all the details, click the I am not a robot tick box and click the green sign up button. When you log into your account, you can click the upload file button. You can do this on your computer, phone, or any other device, as long as you have an internet connection when you upload a file. You start uploading some content to the site and earn money every time a user downloads your file. Go now and we will show you where to find free file uploads so you can earn some sweet money on this site. Okay, now I'm going to show you the second software you're using. It's called Pixabay, and this is its logo. Make sure you downloaded the correct app. This app is completely free and contains a large number of very high-quality images without copyright and other intellectual property rights. All images and movies on Pixabay are published under Creative Commons. As stated below indicated that commercial use is permitted. You can use it for commercial purposes by uploading it to the first app we showed you earlier or using it for any purpose. It says that no attribution is required, so there is no need to give credit to the uploader. Now let me show you a real-world example by step-by-step instructions on how to do it, including how to download, re-upload, and start earning. As you can see, we uploaded an image here, and now we'll show you how. So let's go to Pixabay.com first, where you can find free stunning photos and no copyright stock photos. They have over 1.7 million high-resolution images and videos available for free download. For example, if we type in nature and click the search button, we'll immediately get a list of free images to download, and we can click on any of these images. Let's say we pick this one with flowers as a subject. We can click on this free download option after clicking on the image. We can also choose the resolution. So the first and most important piece of advice we can give you is to make sure you download high-quality images. At the very least, you should download the 1280p. Make sure the photos are very high quality and resolution so that users are willing to download and use them. It makes sense to you, right? Now we choose this one right here. It's a small file. You can download whatever you want. Now as long as we select this one here, we click to download and see download started on my computer here. You can do it on your computer or your phone. Now we can start uploading photos to this site. But before we tell you how to upload, we want to show you another example. For example, here's another image. You can do the same by clicking on the free download button and selecting and clicking the download button. A download will resume. Again, this app is an entirely free tool. We don't have to pay to start downloading this photo from Pixabay. We will go back to the first site and show you how to upload it. When you click Upload File, you will see the File Upload option. You can click this link or the image here. As you can see, we have 3 more photos that we can add to this site. For example, we'll show you what happens when we click on this mountain in the second image and open it. You can see this picture here. We can add more files again and again. For example, we want to upload another photo. Now you will see 2 pictures. When all the uploads are over, you click on this blue button to start the upload, and then it will begin the upload process. Here you will find everything. It's very fast since the image is only 85 kilobytes and 82 kilobytes in size. This one is a relatively small file. You can do this method thousands of times a day. The more photos you upload, the more money you can earn. After uploading a file, you will get 2 links here, and you can earn every time someone clicks on this link to download the file, and that's it! Again, you can upload many times per day. It is advisable to upload many images on this website to have more chances that someone will download your photo. Aside from getting your images from Pixabay, you can create your own. If you have a smartphone with a good camera, you can take shots with it when you go outside. You can take the pictures of your city, trees, parks, children's, pets, and many others. And you can upload those too. That's our video for today. We hope you like it. So what do you think about these websites? Is it an excellent opportunity to make money online? Do you think it will be able to replace our jobs in the future as our primary source of income? Share your thoughts and opinions in the comment section. We love to read about them. Well, that would be all for now. Join us again in Millionaire Mindset for another round of tips on achieving your financial freedom. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.